So as you all know, we work with students of life, and all that means is wherever you are, we're ready to meet you there. So we do this by workshops, such as our Blak Fatigue workshop, where we help and evolve what that Black experience looks like. So part of that is educating non-Black students how to work better with Black students. And that is a workshop where we focus in on building the right dialogue to have.
When I think of Blak Fatigue, I think of it as just being exhausted with the task of trying to fix the problem that has been plaguing you all of your life.
I work in sports, so it's kind of a white man's world, and I'm a Black woman. So it's like, how do I continuously find ways to get recognition without being overly assertive? Like, you're not able to show up as your authentic self. And so that's kind of how I would define Blak Fatigue.
Thank y'all again. Like, I don't know, it's just a whole new perspective, especially for me. Definitely opened up my eyes a lot wider.
Being able to have the courageous conversation of just saying you don't know and saying that you want to learn more and that you're doing the due diligence of doing that either on your own or through research, like that holds a lot of weight.
Black professionals, you have to kind of keep your head on a swivel just because other people sometimes simply want to get you in trouble or fired. And it's like, how do you survive or just fight against those kind of work environments?
We need to be each other's advocates, and that's difficult to do sometimes, and it's hard to find someone. So either you find someone you're your advocate, or at the same time, you're your own advocate.